Salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall. Here again today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH Wealth solution. Right now, I'm on the car lot at the Benz dealership because I just dropped my car off for service. So now I'm actually walking around. My wife doesn't know, but I'm in the market for a car for her because she is going to be going for her, well, first for her driver's permit and then for her driver's license. And once she gets her license, I want to be able to just kind of spring a car on her. So I need you guys' help. Help me help a few families so I can also help my family by getting my wife a vehicle so she won't have to drive around with me like a maniac. This got to be an S-Class. This baby big. Yeah, I thought this was an S-Class. I was like, this big body. This looked like an S-Class. Yeah, you could tell from the trunk because that's a C-Class. This is an E-Class? Yeah. The E-Class has a smaller trunk and then the C-Class has the baby trunk. But I'm just here at the dealership. Just getting my car service. It's going to be a few dollars, whatever it is. So I am looking around and trying to decide. At any rate, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall. Oh, that's an AMG. Back to whap and tap on your head with another ADH Wealth solution. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is an E53. Word? And how much they want for this? What, 70, 80,000? Yeah, this is a pretty puppy. At any rate, white bass, work in progress every day and see success. Salute.